Good day, everyone. I am Kira Valerie Igarido, and today we will tackle about derivatives of a product rule. But first, let us know what is a derivatives. In mathematics, the derivative is a fundamental tool that quantifies the sensitivity of change of a function's output with respect to its input. Now that you know the definition of a derivative, let us now proceed to our lesson. There are a lot of derivatives, but we will tackle the product rule only. I will show on the screen the formula of the product rule. Now that we have the formula, of course, we will proceed to the solving. So here with our given example, we will identify which is the u and which is the v so we can get the derivatives. We will always remember that the u is in the first and the v is in the second. So you will just copy it. 3x squared minus 2x plus 1, and the v is the 4x minus 3. And in getting the derivatives, the derivative of u is 6x minus 2. Why? Because the 2 here, well, you will minus it in 1. And the 2 will be put here, 2. So 3 times 2 is equals to 6. And here is 1 because you minus it in 1. So the x just represent the 1, so you will just copy the x in here. And here the x represents 1, remember? So you'll copy it in here, you will put it in here. So 1 times 2 is equals to 2, simply 2, and you will not copy the x because you already put it in here. And in getting the 4x minus 3, the answer of this is negative 12 and negative 4. Why? Because 4x, the negative 3 here, you'll put it in here, negative 3. So negative 3 times 4 is equals to negative 12. And the negative 3 in here, you will minus it with 1. So negative 3 minus 1 is equals to negative 4. So simply like that. And now for the solving, you will copy it like this because remember the formula? Yes, remember the formula? You will copy it like this. And this. So 3x squared times negative 12, x negative 4. So the answer of this is negative 36 x minus 2. Why? Because 3 times negative 12 is negative 36. And simply the exponent 2 plus negative 4 is negative 2. Yes. And negative 2 times negative 12 is this will equate to positive because negative times negative is positive. So 24 x negative 3. Because negative, you will minus it. X represents the 1, so the answer is negative 3. And with here, 1 times negative 12 x to the power of negative 4 is simply 12 times negative 4. And let's proceed to this for the method. So 4x to the power of negative 3 times 6x times 6x. So that will be 24 x negative 2. The 1 here, this x represents 1, remember? And let's proceed to the 2. 4x negative 3 times 2. So that will be 8x negative 3. And now, combine like terms. 36 plus 24 because they have the same exponents. So that will be negative 12. That will be negative 12 x negative 2 plus this one here, this one. So 24 x negative 3 minus 8x negative 3. So that will be positive 16 x negative 3. And just copy this one. 12x negative 4. And now, that's your final answer. That's how you solve the product rule. Always remember the formula, which is the U times EV plus V du. That's the formula. Always remember that one. And that's the end of our video. I hope you learned something and enjoy the rest of your day.